I'm Matt Hilbrand with Don's Appliances, joined by Executive Corporate Chef Anthony Marino.
Good morning, all.
And Don's, we've been around for 52 years. We are known to have some of the most innovative appliances
Cutting edge stuff.
Yeah, in all of our showrooms. But, you know, when my dad started the company 52 years ago, he was a Maytag repairman. And one of the biggest categories that we really, you know, started the business in was laundry, washers and dryers.
Honed in on laundry. Boy, have they come a long way from the Ringer washer.
They really have, yes. The Ringer washer, the most basic washer, you know, bulletproof washer made. But no, there's a lot of innovation in laundry. And we are the place to buy laundry in the tri-state area.
All of our locations have a strong laundry display with really, a ton of different product, different colors, different sizes, to really go for any of your laundry needs, whether you got a small compact laundry room or, you got one of these, I call them the fancy laundry rooms, it's like, you get places to like fold, all this stuff. So, different sizes, different makes, models. So.
And our stock and our inventory is second to none. So if you go to donsappliances.com, you go to our in-stock tab, you look at the laundry, the washers, dryers, gas dryers, which a lot of the box stores don't stock a lot of specific products like gas dryers.
Yeah.
I mean, we've got a huge selection of in-stock products.
Yeah, we sell a good amount of gas dryers. Do we sell more? Is it a 50-50 or do we sell a lot more gas?
No, it's gas in the tri-state area is still pretty prevalent, but it's probably 20 to 25%. But what's great about buying from us is that we can get your product out next day.
That's huge. I mean, that next day has saved so many people with a load of laundry that come in and say, hey, my washer is good, my dryer's down, or vice versa. I got to dry these clothes or I got to wash these clothes. How fast can I get it? It's like a refrigerator, man. You need your washer and dryer. I know now that I have a 3-year-old how much laundry a family really does. So.
Yeah, two appliances you need absolutely as fast as possible. Refrigerator and a washer and dryer. Categories, I should say. Washer and dryer. Because to your point, we need clean clothes for sanitary reasons to keep everybody healthy in the house. You need clean clothes to go to school and to go to work. So that is really, really important. And if you come into any of our showrooms, Sunday to Sunday, we will get you next day delivery, excluding Sunday at this point.
Yeah.
So if you come in on a Saturday, buy a laundry piece, we'll get it to you Monday. But if you come in Sunday, we'll get it to you Monday. And then during the course of the week, we'll get you that product next day.
Yeah, and you know what? And it's good if you're mix and matching pieces. Say my washer's still good, but I need my dryer. But we always say, how big is your washer? You know what I mean? Do you need the same capacity in your dryer? Because you can't run a 5 cubic load wash and fit it in a small upright dryer. So make sure you got the vice versa on those ends too. So the bigger capacity or the smaller capacity, we can pair them up, depending on your model numbers.
And the best part about buying from Don's Appliances is that you have peace of mind that you are getting the best possible price, the best products, best delivery, after sale service, and next day delivery.
Yeah, and even if you don't want the next day, you could still pick it up, right?
Pick it up and save 10%.
Yeah, I mean,
that's something. Our warehouse is open 7 days a week. A large time frame in terms of being able to go out to our Crafton warehouse to pick up product, and you save that 10%. I can tell you, you go to a box store, you're not getting that discount.
No, you're not getting that 10%. You're not getting that easeability of just going in and saying, hey, I can pick it up. And, like washers and dryers, you know how to put them in. You know what I mean? You can clip them on, ready to rock and roll. You can get the hoses if you need the hoses from us, things like that too. So, don't think about, that's a quick 10% off, from just getting a couple buddies together and, moving it. So.
And what's nice also is that as you're listening to this or watching this via video, you can go to donsappliances.com. We've got live people chat.
Yeah, the chat's great too.
Our chat feature, so if you have questions about laundry, we've got some great people that are available to answer those questions.
Yeah.
Especially about some new products that we have.
Yeah,
like
some of them just hit the floor. We got some great stuff.
Yeah, the GE all-in-one washer. So it's a washer-dryer combo.
Everybody, this is getting a lot of headway, man. This is turning a lot of people's heads, even in the showroom,
And the advantage to the all-in-one piece is that you could do 2 sets and you don't have to worry. You can do 2 side by side. You don't have to worry about pulling clothes from from the washer and putting it into the dryer. So there's a huge convenience factor.
Yeah, and that's a huge convenience. And it's great for smaller spaces too. If you don't have all that room, you need that one space part. It'll go in there. And then for the people that throw it in the washer and don't really timely put it into the dryer, this is exactly for them. You know what I mean? So
if you have a front load washer and you may not be cleaning it as often as possible, you may get that musky smell if you let it sit there too long and you don't put it in the dryer. This is going to prevent that.
Yeah, this is going to prevent that.
Another really nice product that's available, Maytag has their new pet line.
Yeah.
And what's great about their top load pet washer is that there's a built-in filter in the agitator that when you pull out, you can pull the pet hair or cat hair, dog or cat hair that has been accumulating on your clothes, but that's being extracted in the washer. You can pull out that filter to really take that out.
Yeah. So, we had a customer in in the showroom last week, and that's what she got for her dog. She got it specifically because she uses dog blankets, and she has a dog cover on the back of her car, and it gets a lot of hair on it. But she says, hey, I don't mind cleaning this. It keeps my car clean. So, she bought that exclusively for it so she can run, the bigger items like the smaller blankets for her dog and things like that. So I thought that was a win. You know what I mean?
Absolutely. And, just to kind of go back to the whole box store, comparison, we've got a much larger inventory than the box stores. We can do next day delivery.
Yeah.
Certain box stores can, most, however, cannot.
And
the other thing is, if you want to pick up the product, we've got that extra discount that the box stores don't offer. And our prices are the same. So you can buy local.
Yeah.
You can buy for convenience. You can buy for better service, and you can buy for next day.
And what the huge part is? What the biggest drawback between us and box stores are? We have specialty people that are trained on all of our products. You know what I mean? Our Matt Hillebrand didn't work in lawn care yesterday. You know what I mean? He's been in appliances his whole life. He has a background. For your customers that have a 20-year-old product or a 15-year-old washer that is it going to work? Is it right? We have we have the technicians, but we have an expert seasoned sales staff that can really look into this and look through and make sure you get the right piece at the right time for your house. So you're not guessing. You know what I mean?
And we've got a lot of videos to help you with your measuring, whether you have gas, electric, whether you have a 3 or 4 prong dryer cord. Be sure to go to our YouTube channel, subscribe.
Yeah.
And,
one more thing before we got a few seconds left. Financing is key. If you guys are worried about the money, we have 12-month interest-free financing. Thank you from Don's Appliances. Appreciate you.